Africa is entering one of the biggest economic transformations in its history. Over the next 10 to 20 years, millions of traditional jobs will disappear, millions of new jobs will emerge, and the people who prepare early will have a massive advantage. For many young Africans, the question is no longer what job should I get? The real question is what skill will still be valuable in the future? I want to talk about why African job market is changing. Several powerful trends are reshaping employment across the continent. Things like artificial intelligence, automation, digital transformation, mobile technology, renewable energy, e-commerce, remote work, population growth, and urbanization. Africa is expected to have the world's largest workforce by the end of the century, creating enormous opportunities for skilled workers and entrepreneurs. I'm going on to talk about jobs that may decline. And if you have one of these jobs, you should think about making a shift. Some jobs that will not disappear completely, but demand may shrink significantly include data entry clerk. And this is because AI can now process and organize information faster and cheaper than humans. So your job might be at risk. 2. Basic customer service agent. Chatbots and AI assistants are handling increasing numbers and customer inquiries already. Learn to make a shift. 3. Traditional cashiers. Mobile money, digital payments, and self-checkout systems are reducing the need for cashiers. So you need to make a shift. Routine administrative roles. Many repetitive office tasks are becoming automated. And for that reason, they won't need you anymore. Low-skilled manufacturing jobs. Automation and robotics are taking over simple production tasks. Like at first, when you produce biscuits, people used to pack them. These days, AI tools does all. Machines do all those things. Next one, high growth careers in Africa. I want to talk about the growth careers, the careers that will grow exponentially in these times. These sectors are expected to experience significant growth. Number 1, artificial intelligence and technology. AI will create new opportunities rather than simply eliminating jobs. Future roles under AI and artificial intelligence technology include AI specialists, prompt engineers, machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI trainers, cybersecurity analysts. And the key skills you need to perform some of these jobs include coding, data analysis, problem solving, literacy. Number 2 of jobs that may boom is renewable energy. Africa possesses some of the world's best solar resources, and the careers that might grow under this include solar technicians, wind energy specialists, energy consultants, electrical engineers, green infrastructure managers. Some of the countries that are investing heavily in this renewable energy include Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Morocco, Egypt. So if you are in any of these countries, think about making a shift into renewable energy. Number 3 of jobs that may boom is digital marketing. Businesses increasingly need online visibility. And when businesses need online visibility, it simply means they will need people who would work on the visibility online for them. And some of these the careers that might come along include social media managers, content creators, search engine optimization specialists, video editors, brand strategists, digital advisors. Even though this field has relatively low barrier of entry, you can learn online. These skills are not difficult. You can actually learn them online. Number 4 of jobs that may boom under the new African economy is e-commerce. Online shopping continues to grow across Africa because people like to shop online these days. People barely go to the market or town to buy electronic items. They like to shop everything online. And opportunities may include online store owners, e-commerce managers, logistics coordinators, product researchers, supply chain specialists. Number 5 is healthcare. We all get sick. We all need a doctor. We all need a nurse. So Africa's growing population will naturally drive healthcare demands. And some of the opportunities that may come along include nurses, medical technologists, healthcare administrators, telemedicine specialists, mental health professionals. Healthcare remains one of the most resilient sectors, and that is simply because we all get sick at some point in our life. Number 6 of jobs that may boom under the new African economy is agricultural technology, agri-tech. Agriculture is becoming more technology driven. And because of that, opportunities that might arise include precision agriculture specialists, agricultural data analysts, drone operators, agribusiness consultants, smart farming technicians. Number 7 of opportunities under this new African economy is financial technology, fintech. Digital finance is transforming how Africans save, invest, and transfer money. And some of these things are already happening. Mobile money, mobile banking apps. And some opportunities may include fintech developers, mobile money specialists, product managers, risk analysts, compliance experts. Number 8 of job opportunities that may be viable under the new African economy is remote work careers. The internet allows Africans to work for companies globally from anywhere in the world. And opportunities that might exist because of this include software development, graphic design, copywriting, video editing, virtual assistant, customer success, digital marketing. Many of these jobs can be performed from anywhere with a laptop and internet connection. And skills that will be worth more than degrees. The future job market will increasingly reward skills over credentials. The most valuable skills under this new African economy include 1. AI literacy, understanding how AI tools work effectively. 2. Communication, writing, speaking, and persuasion. Number 3. Critical thinking, solving problems AI cannot solve easily. It's also a very good skill to learn under this new economy. Sales, the ability to generate revenue is always valuable. The next one is adaptability. Learning new technologies quickly can be a very good skill because if you can adapt, then you can rise above your challenges. The next one is financial literacy, managing money, investing and building wealth. And also entrepreneurship, creating opportunities rather than waiting for them. Industries likely to create millionaires in Africa. The biggest world opportunities may emerge from artificial intelligence, fintech, renewable energy, e-commerce, agri-tech, digital media, logistics, real estate technology, healthcare, and educational technology. Many Africans' future millionaires will likely build businesses around these industries rather than work traditional jobs. And with this, I'm going to move on to tell you or explain to you some simple steps you can take to prepare for this new African economy that is emerging in the next 10 to 20 years. Step number 1, learn a digital skill. And under this, just choose one skill. Don't confuse yourself. If you don't choose, you will suffer. You'll be jumping from one place to another, and that is not good for you. The skills you can choose from is coding, digital marketing, video editing, graphic design, data analysis, AI tools. Step number 2, build an online presence. What I popularly tell people, attention is the new currency. Attention is the new currency. Create a professional presence online. You can create professional presence on online tools like YouTube, LinkedIn, or X, or simply have a personal portfolio website. Step 3, develop multiple streams of income. I don't want to talk about it too much, so do not rely on one single salary. This is just simple because we've talked about it, and at this point, it's becoming a swan song. Number 4, learn AI. People who know how to use AI effectively will outperform those who don't. So learn on your AI tools. Step number 5, think globally. The internet allows Africans to earn from clients and companies worldwide. So don't just shrink yourself into Africa or into your community. Think globally. Now, fellas, the future belongs to people who continuously learn. The biggest risk in Africa's future job market is not AI, automation, or technology. The biggest risk is refusing to adapt. Those who learn digital skills, embrace technology, understand money, and build valuable expertise will be positioned to thrive in a new African economy. The jobs of tomorrow are already being created today. The question is whether you will be ready when they arrive. See you in the next one.